Welcome to your Tesla. Congratulations, you now drive one of the safest, most advanced, and most fun cars on the planet. Thank you for your part in accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Sure, your Tesla is an ever-improving supercomputer on wheels, but it's really easy to use. First, you should know that there's an on-screen owner's manual that contains everything there is to know about your car and how to use it. If you ever have a question or want to learn something new, simply pull up the owner's manual on the touchscreen. Tap the Tesla T centered at the very top of the screen. This brings up information about your car. Tap the words Owner's Manual within this window and then navigate to a topic. To close this or any other window, tap the X in the upper corner or simply tap outside of the window. Tesla owner's manuals are available online too, so you can check them out anytime. Just search for them.